In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a link from Instagram bio. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Instagram, then right here at bottom right, hit at your profile picture to open up your profile. Here, as you can see, I got a link in my bio, that's apple.com link, and now let me show you how you can simply delete that link. In order to do this, just tap right here at Edit Profile, and in here this link can be at your bio. If it's here, just tap there, and then if your bio got a text, you can select your link and delete it from here, simply as you edit any other text on your device. But here I got no link, so I have to hit there where it says link. There, as you can see, I got one, so I can tap here, and there I can find apple.com link. So in order to delete this link, all I have to do is tap on that, and right there tap at remove link, and then confirm it. After that, all I have to do is go out of here, tap on done, and here, as you can see, I got no more link at my Instagram bio. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.